Good afternoon from Gatlinburg, Tennessee. It's Ryan.
And Brie.
On today's adventure, we're tackling coaster number 3. We're doing a series on the best coasters in the Smokies. We've tackled 2 so far, one up here at Anakeesta. That was our previous video. Today, we're about to tackle their Hellbender Mountain Coaster, named after one of the salamanders in the area. We are in the salamander capital of the world. It kind of slithers like a lizard would. We've been on it. We're excited to ride it again. Yes. I'm not gonna linger. Let's show you how you get on this coaster, what it looks like, the details, and bring you for a ride. So without further ado, let the adventure, let's go. You can ride tandem on this. You just have to weigh together and be under the weight threshold. Actually have some ride wait times up on the screen for this mountain coaster and their Rail Runner mountain coaster. It's as fast as a Hellbender. This is what we'll be riding. You can control your speed right here on either side. You can push both together or only one. They're connected, so you're able to control your speed. So we got to go weigh in and make sure we're under the weight.
Welcome to Hellbender.
Thank you.
Righty, and you'll just step up here for me. Perfect. You're going for a ride.
All right.
Bree's good to go?
Yes, indeed. He'll be right behind you.
All right.
Wonderful.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Here are the specific rider requirements for single rider or tandem if you want to pause the video. So to get on the coaster, we just need to go down these steps. If whoever you're with is not wanting to ride, there's actually a fantastic observation deck up above, and they can watch you work your way up the mountains at this particular mountain coaster. So once we made it down one set of stairs, we just got to go down one more set and we'll be getting on the coaster. We just dropped off our stuff in a free locker that they provide. So here's a look at the loading area, which Brie is about to load on.
4 to go, pull back to slow, do not stop out there, do not block. Okay, thank you.
All right, I'll be right behind you.
All right, friends, how we doing?
Doing well, how about yourself?
I'm great. Can thumb up?
Thumb up.
You know what to do, right?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and hold that down for me then.
Okay.
I recommend just leaving it down, okay?
Yeah.
Pretty sure you rode this before.
Oh, yeah.
That's subscribed.
Oh, thank you.
Y'all have a good rest
Thank
of the
you. Thank you. You too.
day. All right, friends.
All right, here we go. This one starts right out of the gate, going full speed as fast as I can. I'll try to not pull on the brakes. Woohoo! Oh, got some air in there. Oh, this is so much fun. Here we go. Oh, now we're slithering. Oh, whoa. Around the bend. I haven't hit the brakes yet. Whoa. This is my favorite part right here. Here it goes. Nice little long straightaway. Whoa, a little slithering. Oh. Oh, we are way up here. Oh, that was awesome. Ah. Yeah, that definitely gets your heart pumping. Fun little ride. Hellbender Mountain Coaster here at Anakeesta. Let's see if I can pull out my phone and get some statistics on this thing while we take a nice little ride up. How was it? Good? You had fun? Brie has done this one before as well. We've been on it a number of times. And once I'm here, I can let go and just relax and enjoy the ride up. So on Anakeesta's website, it says, prepare yourself for an unforgettable adventure at Anakeesta as we introduce the Hellbender Smoky Mountain Coaster, a highly anticipated three-roll. This coaster promises to deliver heart-racing twists, gravity-defying drops, and awe-inspiring scenic vistas that will completely redefine your idea of excitement. You'll see some views here in a little bit once we're further up this little incline here. It goes on to say, don't pass up the opportunity to be among the first riders on this exhilarating journey. Be ready to fasten your seatbelt and gear up in this adrenaline pumping race as Hellbender offers the ultimate mountain coaster experience. I hear some screaming off in the distance. It does say that the Hellbender winds through 3,350 feet of overlook in the Smoky Mountains, and it can reach a top speed of 25 miles per hour, and also says that there are 7 turns totaling 240 feet of drop. So once you're up at about this section, if you look back and turn around, you're able to see a little bit more of the views. So we're almost back up to the top. All right, nice little ride.
Well, he does like this one.
Hey. Thank you. Oh.
Came back again, huh, Ryan?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That was fun. Thank you, guys.
Yep.
Thank you. Now that we've gotten off the ride, we just go back up the stairs that we came down to get to it. All right, we were just about to end the video, but we just heard somebody say, "Bear, bear." I see people with cameras and they're pointing over in this direction, so we got to go check out to see if there's a bear. So we just got that little clip of the bear. They ran off pretty quickly, a mom and her cubs. But you never know. You might see a bear while you're up here at Anakeesta. You definitely will see some fantastic views no matter what time of year you come around. Brie, what did you think of the Hellbender Mountain Coaster?
I really enjoyed the Hellbender. Now, not like the Rail Runner, I really couldn't hold it down all the way. On Hellbender, I could until it slowed me down because there were people on there. But it was really fun, very smooth, just a fun ride through the woods. Really enjoyed it.
I too like this one a lot. I never hit the brakes the entire time down, and I really like it. It's a nice smooth ride. Compared to the last one we did, their other mountain coaster, the Rail Runner, this one is much smoother. I don't think it's as intense as far as the drops on the Rail Runner. Their other coaster, I mean, it drops, so it's a fun little ride.
This one's more just fun hills, where the other one's like a straight mountain drop. So in order to ride this coaster, you do have to get admission to Anakeesta, which you might think, oh, that's a negative, but actually that's a positive because you get to come up here and see some absolutely gorgeous views.
And some live entertainment, like these guys playing right over here. Here, hold on, here's 5 seconds of them playing. So it's time to determine, where does this rank as the best coaster in the Smokies? Give me your ranking in 3, 2, 1, 1.
Oh, good. We've been right on point so far.
I would put this as the best of the 3 that we've tried so far. It is the newest coaster of all 3 that we've rode. So to me, it was one of the smoothest rides, and I really like it. It's a fun little add-on that you can do while you're here at Anakeesta. Any other thoughts?
No, I think it's time to go to our next coaster, which you'll see tomorrow.
I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you been on this coaster? Would you like to ride this coaster? If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, do us a big favor, simply like the video. It's a great way to support our channel. And if you made it this far, we thank God for you. Until next time, we'll see you on the next adventure up here. This mountain coaster up here. This is the next one that you can check out. Make sure you check out all of our coasters. We're doing 12.
Right there.
You're gonna like this one. It'll be fun. Probably. Hopefully.
Bye.
Bye.